everyone. Learn with Shurin Kazi. Phonics sound alphabets A to Z. Let's go. A says A. A for apple. A for ant. B says B. B for bus. B for ball. C says car. C for car. C for cat. D says D. D for dog. D for doll. E says A. E for engine. E for ear. F says fur. F for fan. F for fish. G says girl. G for girl. G for goat. H says her. H for hen. H for horse. I says E. I for India. I for ice cream. J says J. J for jam. J for jelly. K says K. K for key. K for kite. L says L. L for leaf. L for lion. M says M. M for mango. M for monkey. N says N. N for nest. N for nurse. O says O. O for ox. O for orange. P says P. P for pencil. P for parrot. Q says Q. Q for Q. Q for queen. R says R. R for rabbit. R for rose. S says Sir. S for snake. S for sun. T says T. T for tree. T for tiger. U says U says U. U says uniform. U for umbrella. V says V. V for violin. V for van. W says W. W for wheel. W for watch. X says X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. Y for year. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Z says Z. Z for zero. Z for zebra. Thank you. Please do like and subscribe my channel Learn with Shirin Hazi.